24 helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been, has, have, had, do, did, does, will, shall, would, should, may, might, must, can, could, ought. Is, he is playing football. Am, I am going to school. Are, we are going to Lahore. Was, he was a teacher. Were, they were at the party. Be, I want to be a doctor. Been, I have been to London. Being, he is being very helpful. Has, he has written a book. Have, I have eaten my lunch. Had, they had already eaten dinner. Do, I do know the answer. Does, he does play the piano. Did, they did finish their work. Will, I will attend the meeting. Would, he would love to help. Shall, she shall overcome. Should, we should try it. May, she may be lit. Might, he might come tomorrow. Must, you must try this cake. Can, I can speak English. Could, she could play the guitar. Ought, you ought to apologize. Thanks for watching the video.